This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the front edge of the bonnet a little, pull the safety catch to release it, and fully open the bonnet. The coolant expansion tank and filler cap are located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. With the engine cold, unscrew the filler cap slightly to vent any residual pressure. Then fully unscrew the cap. Fully apply the handbrake. Then position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange and raise the vehicle. Place axle stands under the reinforced section of the sills to support the vehicle. The engine undertray is secured by various fasteners around its circumference. Undo the fasteners. Then pull the undertray rearwards and remove it. Position a suitable container under the radiator lower hose. Attach a length of hose to the drain tap port, then rotate the drain tap anti-clockwise a little, pull it out slightly, and direct the flow of coolant into the container. To fully drain the system, position the container under the front of the engine, then release the clamp and disconnect one of the coolant hoses from the oil cooler located at the front of the cylinder block. When the coolant has finished draining, close the radiator drain tap and remove the rubber hose. Mop up any spilled coolant. Where necessary, reconnect the cooler hose and secure it with the clamp. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Maneuver the undertray into position. Engage the front edge. Then refit the various fasteners and tighten them securely. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, slowly fill the system with a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water. Help bleed air from the system by repeatedly squeezing the radiator lower hose. When no more air bubbles appear in the expansion tank, top up the coolant to the maximum level mark and securely refit the filler cap. Run the engine at a fast idle speed until the cooling fan cuts in. Wait for the fan to stop, then switch the engine off and allow the engine to cool. When the engine has cooled, check and if necessary top up the coolant to the maximum level. Firmly close the bonnet and check it secure.